नद्या सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। गतकक्षासु अस्माभिः कृदन्तप्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः आरब्धः वर्तते। अ, गतासु कक्षासु तुमुन् प्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः अस्माभिः विहितः। तथा अनन्तरं त्वा तथा ल्यप् इति प्रत्ययानाम् अभ्यासः कृतः। ततः क्तप् क्तवतु इति प्रत्ययद्वयम् अस्माभिः सम्यक्तया अधीतम्। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः तव्यत् प्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः विहितः। तव्यत् प्रत्ययस्य स्ट्रक्चर् यदि स्मर्यते चेत् तदनुगुणम् अनियर् प्रत्ययः तथैव यत् प्रत्ययस्य अपि अभ्यासः करणीयः भवति। नाम तव्यत् प्रत्ययस्य यः उपयोगः सः एव उपयोगः अनियर् तथा यत् प्रत्ययस्य अपि भवति। तव्यत् प्रत्यय मध्ये यथा स्ट्रक्चर भवति 3-1-1 कर्मणि प्रयोगः तद्वत् अनियर् प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगे यत् प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगे अपि भवति। एकमेकम् उदाहरणेन वयं ज्ञास्यामः एव। अधुना साक्षात् स्लाइड् शेयर करोमि। अनियर् प्रत्ययः वर्तते। तत्र सूत्रं पुनः मया पूर्वमेव गतकक्षायां तव्यत् प्रत्यय एव अधीतः खलु। हाँ, तव्यत् प्रत्यय आसीत्। उदाहरणं नाम सूत्रं तु समानमेव। तव्यत् तव्य अनियरः इति सूत्रम् उच्यते। धातोः नाम मेन रूटतः एते प्रत्ययाः एते के तव्यत् अपि भवति तव्य प्रत्ययः अपि भवति अनियर् प्रत्ययः अपि भवति। मया गतकक्षायाम् एव उक्तं यत् तव्यत् तथा तव्य यद्यपि प्रत्ययद्वयं दृश्यते किन्तु वस्तुतः तेषां रूपम् अल्टिमेट फॉर्म would be one only, tavya. It is going to remain tavya only. The why there is a difference, one is ending with one is ending with tavya, right? Basically the tavyat and tavya there is a differentiation because of he wanted to use tavyat pratyanta form in swara prakriya. So to indicate some forms like adi udattah, antyodattah, etc., etc. That time the particular which pratyay should be useful. Based on that, he has creation the variation tavyat tavya, tavyat and tavya. And laukika grammar there is no different. Tavyat and tavya both have same because we don't use swara prakriya etc. Okay. Next. Then moving on to Anyar Pratyaya. Anyar Pratyaya also will be using Karmani and the Bhavi structure. So, Edhaniyam Tvaya, Vardhaniyam Tvaya. In this meaning, he has used the Anyar Pratyaya and Tavyat Pratyaya. So now Anyar Pratyaya, when the Anyar Pratyaya is added to the verbal root, the potential passive participle is formed again. It is a kind of mood. And the structure, the sentence would be made into Karmani structure 3-1-1. It conveys a sense of necessity and to command. So this is the meaning of Anvar Pratyaya. For example, Maya अथवा भक्तेन श्रीमन्नारायणः स्मरणीयः. If you use Tavyat Pratyaya, it is going to be Maya अथवा भक्तेन श्रीमन्नारायणः स्मर्तव्यः. So rather than using स्मर्तव्यः, we can even use स्मरणीयः. Even we can use yat pratyaya also, that we will study in next class. Okay, it is going to be स्मर्तव्यः अथवा स्मरणीयः. Along with yat smar dhatu smru. We will see the yat pratyanta form also. Okay. The derivatives forms using the suffix agree with the noun in gender, number and case. For example, if we use anyar pratyaya along with kriya pada like patha is the dhatu, if we add aniyar pratyay, it is going to be pathaniya. After making that pratipadika, after getting the pathaniya form, then it will be declining all three cases in the sense, not cases, in gender, in vachana, it will be, decline. So, pathaniyaha, pathaniyau, pathaniyaha, it will go like Ramah Shabda. Ramah, Ramu, Ramaha, Pathaniya, Pathaniyau, Pathaniyaha. Similarly, in Strilinga, it is going to go like Pathaniya, Pathaniye, Pathaniyaha, Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Pathaniyam, Pathaniye, Pathaniyani, Napusaklinga, Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Okay. So, this is how the forms would be made. There are some niyamas now. You have any question? No, right? Okay. So basically main root along with anyar pratyay, then we can derive the ultimate form. Like for example, gama is a dhatu. Along with that gama dhatu, if we add aniyar pratyaya, rakar is going to get its sognya by halantyam. So only aniya will remain, right? So gamaniya, has dhatu along with aniya, hasaniya. And generally, the makara is put in Napusakalinga generally whenever we want to, if there is no use or we just want to say, they generally use Gamniyam, Hasaniyam. If the karma padam, it is in Pullinga, like for example, Maya, Gramaha, then it is going to be Gamaniya. Maya, Gramaha, Gamaniya. The meaning is the village should be gone or visited by me. If there is a word particular like Nagari, then we will say Maya Nagari Gamaniya. Nagari Gamaniya. Because Karma Padam is it is in Strilingam. So that's how Strilingam, not Strilingam. It is in Strilingam, so it is going to be Gamaniya. If Karma Padam is like Nagaram, then Gamaniyam. Okay. Hasadhatu is again bhave prayoga we have to do here because the dhatu is akarmaka in transitive verb. So we cannot put any karma in between. When we don't put karma, then that structure we need to follow like a 3-1 in the sense karta will be in tritiya vibhakti and this tavyat pratyanta form, anir pratyanta form, whatever form we are using, it is going to be always in prathama purusha, ekvachanam and napusakalinga form like gamani, hasaniyam, kshamyata. So, bhavata hasaniyam, ramena hasaniyam, maya hasaniyam, asmabihi hasaniyam. Karta might be anyone. It might be any linga. But hasaniyam form it is going to remain as it is. Maya hasaniyam, toya hasaniyam, tena hasaniyam, taya hasaniyam, tabihi hasaniyam, taihi hasaniyam, etc. etc. Another rule is dhatoh antimah yah swarah पुनश्च उपान्त्ययः स्वरः तस्य किं भवति गुणः भवति श्रु इति धातु वर्तते श्रु धातोः वस्तुतः दीर्घः श्रु इति धातोः रूपं नाम अन्तिमः स्वरः श्रु उकारः वर्तते तस्य श्रु धातोः अनन्तरम् अनियर् प्रत्ययः भविष्यति यदा अनियर् प्रत्ययः उपयुज्यते तदा श्रु धातोः गुणः भवति गुणः भवति चेत् उकारस्य गुणः किं भो इति रूपं भविष्यति अहं प्रक्रियामेव अत्र प्रदर्शयामि कथम् एतद् रूपं साधनीयं सु इति धातुः वर्तते पुनश्च अनियर् प्रत्यय तत्र वस्तुतः अनियर् इति प्रत्ययः आयाति अनियर् इत्यत्र केवलः किम् अवशिष्यते अनीय अवशिष्यते लकारस्य प्रकारस्य इत् संज्ञा भवति खलु श्रु इति धातोः तत्र गुणः कर्तव्यः गुणः भवति चेत् किं रूपं श्रो इति रूपं भवति ततः कः आदेशः अत्र कर्तव्यः पदस्य अन्ते यदि ओकारः विद्यते ततः अकारः अस्ति चेत् अस्य ए ऐ ओ औ एतस्य कृते एकः आदेशः भवति अयादि आदेशः तेन ओ इत्यस्य किं भवति औ इति आदेशः भवति श्र औ प्लस अनीय किं रूपं भविष्यति? श्रवणीय इति जातं। श्रवणीय इति रूपं भवति। अधुना अस्मात् नकारात् प्राक् यदि रकारः, ऋकारः अथवा षकारः वर्तते चेत् तस्य नकारस्य किं भवति? चेत्
No.
नकारः मूर्धन्यनकारे परिवर्त्यते इति कृत्वा इदं रूपं किं भविष्यति? श्रवणीयः। श्रवणीय इति रूपं भवति। ततः पुल्लिङ्गे श्रवणीयः, स्त्रीलिङ्गे श्रवणीया, नपुंसकलिङ्गे श्रवणीयम् इति। मया कथा श्रवणीया, मया ग्रन्थः श्रवणीयः, मया गीतं श्रवणीयम् इत्यादिकं कर्तुं शक्यते। तथैव अत्र भवन्तः वदन्तु अधुना। कृ इति धातु वर्तते, अणियर् प्रत्ययः विद्यते। कृ इत्यस्य ऋकारस्य आदिवृद्धिर्कुर्मः, वृद्धिर्कुर्मश्चेत् किं भवेत्? कर्, अर् इति वृद्धिर्भवति, न तु वृद्धिर्गुणः भवति, क्षम्यताम्। अर् इति भवति, अणियर् प्रत्ययः वर्तते, किं भवेत्? करणीय। कस्य रूपं किम्? करणीयः, करणीयं, करणीया इति। विद्यते अयं नकारः कथं भवति तस्य कृते किं किम् आवश्यकं भवन्तः स्मरन्तु हा। यदि र ऋ ष एकस्मिन् पदे एव भवति तस्य अनन्तरं रकारात् परम् अथवा ऋकारात् परम् अथवा षकारात् परं यदि नकारः अस्ति, दन्त्यनकारः, तस्य दन्त्यनकारस्य नकारस्य किं भवति? मूर्धन्यनकारः भवति इति। यदि प्रश्नाः सन्ति, इतोपि प्रश्नाः अत्र भवेयुः। यदि न भवन्ति चेत् अहं प्रश्नान् न उत्पादयामि अग्रे।
So I have a question.
Hmm.
So this R, Ru, Sh, this has to follow Ya. Is that right?
न न न दन्त्य न।
Oh, so okay. So Dantya Na is followed by R, Ru, Sh gets converted to N.
मूर्धन्य न। करेक्ट।
So it's the same class, na? Ra, Ru, not class, meaning Ra, Ru, and
क्लास सेक्शन।
Murdhanya Sh, they all come from the same place when we are chanting.
करेक्ट।
And Ana also will come from the same place.
करेक्ट।
Is that why it is changing? Because Na to is a क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ऋतु रसानाम दंतः, तो न तो दंत वर्ण हो गया ना, तो इसलिए is that it why it's converting की for ease of reading?
So basically rule goes like that. Samana pade. It should be samana padam. Okay. Samana pade. If there is a ra, if there is a sha, if there is a ru, there is one more vartikam. By vartikam, the rukar will be added. Okay. Then if there is a nakara, there should be purna nakara, not half nakara. Huh? Purna nakara. This nakara will be replaced by murdhanya nakara. In between that, here there can be avadhanam also. What avadhanam? At varga, at pratyahar can be there in the sense at nama. I will write at here in between. At means uh, e, u, aru, ur, e, o, au, ya, va, ra, ta. Hi, varat. I un, a ong, I ouch, I up. Letters can be in between that also. Okay. इनके बीच में इनमें से कोई भी लेटर चल सकता है। जैसे कि यहाँ एक अप्लाई करूंगा मैं, अट कु कु मतलब कु नाम क वर्ग क ख ग ग क ख ग घ ङ अटकु कु क च प कु क वर्ग। Atkup, Wangnum, Angnum, etc. is not necessary right now in this rule. Just understand if there is a uh, b, no, in between that in this, okay, or two, any of this letter, then that nakara is going to change into murdhanya nakara. But apart from that, if any letter comes in between this, now these are positive. Another form I will make. Apart from at varga, then what remains? At uh, the ku varga has gone. Chu varga, chu, ka, cha, ta varga,
Ta.
ta varga, haya varat, lan, la, haya varat lan, yamangananam, nya, nya, ma, ga, na, javai. In the sense, javai will come into cha, cha, ja, jhaya, etc. So this letter is, if they are coming in between, then this nakar is not going to change into murdhanya nakar. Okay, remain as it is. So basically,
Okay.
so let me make it red. If you find any letter in between this, it is not going to change. For example, let's take this Shravaniya Shabda here. Shra, Ra, Va, then there is a, then there is a na, it is followed by e, and then ya. Let's take this way. So this basically this nakara we need to change when it will get changed when it is preceded by ra. So there is a ra. Okay, we found that ra later. Hmm? In between nakara and rakara, there should be either at varga, in the sense from this letter it is possible. If there is a ka varga, still nakara will change into murdhani nakara. If there will any letter from pa varga, still that nakara will change into murdhani nakara. So basically, a comes under swara category. So here at means swara category is included in that. Va also come in this only. Let's see this one, right? In Shravaniya, a came, va came, and again another a came. So it is possible. So what will happen? Shravaniya. This is how Shravaniya it is going to be. Let me explain another example. Let's take Pratibha Shabda. तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनम प्रतिभया. षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनम कुर्मः. प्रतिभा शब्द is there. Pratibha नाम प्रत्यय comes. Okay. So basically, it is let me split it down. Pra, ta, I, bha, a, na, a, ma. So basically, there is a ra, okay, and there is a nakara. In between that, all is possible. Let's take it is positive. We can take if there is a, we can still understand the a can be that the nakara can be changed into murdhani nakara. And then the third comes now in this sutra. At kupwangnu mevayati. There is one more sutra. At kupwang kup wang num vya va e pi. So this is these two sutra. Okay. By the use of these two sutras, we can change nakara into murdhani nakara. That is the idea. तो यहाँ उन्होंने बोला कि ये लेटर नहीं होनी चाहिए. इनमें से यदि कोई भी आ जाता है तो दैट इज नॉट चेंज इनटू मूर्धन्य नकार. सो बेसिकली The was the letter because of which nakar is not going to Murdhanya nakar. All other letters are fine. So now this will
Yeah.
Pratibhanam, not Pratibhanam. Okay. Yes. Why I explain this? Here I wanted to.
Because I disturbed, I think I asked a question. So my logic was very simplistic. So I'm glad you explained it, because I was going by just the very basic logic of they all come from the same place when we are saying them. Therefore, maybe it converts, but there are additional rules. It has to be this varg, that varga. So my logic was very simplistic. So sorry to disturb, but I appreciate you explaining it. Thank you.
Yes. So it becomes Karaniyah. Bhavaniyah would be like Bhu will change into Bhu dhatu is there, followed by Aniyar Pratyaya. Then Bhu will go get Guna. It will become Bho plus Aniya. Then Bho plus A. So Ayadi Adesha will take place and it will Bhava will be going into Vakara Bhava Niya. So Bhavaniya, like that it will become. So here there is no Rakara, no Shakara, do not Rakara. So there is no need to change Nakara into Nakara. Right? So there is no possibility. So Bhavaniya.
I have a question. The one you explained just now, that the R, Sha, and some other things plus no, it will become no. So what is that? Where is that in the grammar you're explaining? Is that a sutra, or is that what? Yeah, what is that? It is a sutra?
Yes, Rashabhyam Nona Samanapade is one sutra plus Atkuk Vamnum Vyavayepi. There is one sutra. Again, there are two, three. There is one Vartika. Rukara Navacham. There is that Vartikam. Again, there is a Padantadva where that Nakara will change into Murdhani Nakara. There are 3-4 sutras regarding this.
No, but like, is that come under Lagu Siddhanta or Krudanta? Where does it? What part of the grammar is it from?
Okay, so basically, while learning Sandhis, we didn't learn that, but it comes, if you ask me, it comes under Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana, where he wanted to make Ramena Shabda. Basically, Rama Pratyaya comes there, and the Ta Pratyaya, basically Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam, that Ta Pratyaya changes into Rama plus Ena. Then it becomes Ramena, Rame. No. Then to explain how it becomes Ramena, Murdhanya Nakara, that time Panini, not Panini, but Varadrajacharya ji, in the Prakriya, he brings that sutra and he says, Rashabhyam Nonas Samanapade, and he puts Atkupami, Vyavayepi, these two sutras all together, and then he forms Ramena, Ramanam, that sutra, that form. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate.
Okay. Okay, we'll go back to our topic. So basically, this is how the rules, the niyama are going to go. Like Mula Dhatu Nam Saha Anyar Pratyaya Yoktavya. If it is ending with Halanta. And if there is a Dhatu which ends with Swara, and if there is a Dhatu whose Upantya Swara, Upantya Rasva Swara iti Vaktavya. Upantyarasvasvarasya gunaha bhavati. So basically, likh dhatu, there is a ikara. So, likh, la, ikh. That ikara is going to get guna when it is followed by anyar pratyaya. Anyar pratyaya. Then it will become le. Le, kh. Then anyar will go into that. It will become le, kh, ni, yeah, then pullinga lekhaniyah, lekhaniyo, lekhaniyah, strilingam lekhaniya, lekhaniye, lekhaniyah, napusaklingam lekhaniyam, lekhaniye, lekhaniyani. Like that is going to go. Okay. So basically, these are some dhatus I have put. So we'll practice little bit. Chala dhatu, chalitavyam. If you can make sentence in tavyat by using tavyat form, same sentence by putting aniyar pratyaya like chalaniyam, the meaning will be same, structure would be same, everything same. You can make now.
I found one in Tavyat Pratyaya in the Brahmarpanam. Brahmarpanam. Brahmarpanam Brahma Brahmanavatam. Brahma eva tena gantavyam.
Tena Brahma eva. Brahma shabda comes under always in napusaklingam. तेन साधकेन तेन पुरुषेण तेन भक्तेन अथवा तेन ज्ञानिना ओके ब्रह्म गंतव्यम गंतव्यम इत्यस्य अर्थः तत्र गमनम इत्यादिकं न भवति तत्र ज्ञातव्यम इति अर्थः स्वीकर्तव्यः ज्ञातव्यम अथवा अवगन्तव्यः अथवा प्राप्तव्यम इति अर्थः ब्रह्म इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे वर्तते इति कृत्वा गन्तव्यम इति फॉर्म तत्र देवः इति शब्दः विद्यते चेत् ब्रह्मैव तेन अथवा देवः एव तेन गन्तव्यः इति भविष्यति अथवा देवी शब्दः विद्यते चेत् देवी तेन गन्तव्या इति भविष्यति ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना ब्रह्मकर्म समाधि इदं नाम वर्तते कस्य तस्य साधकस्य ब्रह्म कर्म एव समाधि तस्य नाम तस्य पुरुषस्य नाम विशेषम् इति दीयते ब्रह्म कर्म समाधि सः पुरुषः ब्रह्म कर्म समाधिना नाम तेन पुरुषेण यः ब्रह्म समाधि करोति ब्रह्म कर्म एव समाधिं करोति इति ब्रह्म एव कर्म तत्कर्म स्वरूपं समाधिं यः करोति सः पुरुषः तेन पुरुषेण ब्रह्म गन्तव्यम् इति अर्थः जी
Thank you so much.
सैनिकैः देशः रक्षितव्यं रक्षणीयं
देशः रक्षितव्यः इति भवेत्
रक्षितव्यः
सिमिलर्ली रक्षणीयः इति उच्यताम् सर्वैः वक्तव्यम्
मया द्विचक्रिकया चालितव्यम्
मया द्विचक्रिका इति प्रथमा मध्ये
मया द्विचक्रिका चालितव्यं
चालितव्या अथवा चालनीया
नॉट तव्यम चालनीया और चालितव्या
चालयितव्या चालयति इति निजन्त फॉर्म राइट सो चालयितव्या इति
Why you put it as chalitavya? How did chalitavya come?
Chalati means to walk and chalayati means to ride. So she is not using chaladhatu in the sense she is using nijanta form like chalayati to ride.
मया गीता श्रवणीया
अथवा श्रोतव्या नेक्स्ट उच्यतां शीघ्रं अन्यथा अहं श्लोकान् प्रदर्शयामि इतोपि वाक्यं करणीयम्
I found one more in the chapter 4, like karmano happy bodhavyam cha vikarmanah. That bodhavyam is same
Tamvit.
is here. Tavyat pratyaya.
Tamvit pratyanta form. Meaning you know, right?
So I can only tell you, maybe you can correct me. I will tell you about the karma, of the karma, and I will also tell you of the vikarma, and I will also tell you about akarmana.
Bodhayati, bodhati means to know, to understand. Okay. So
Oh,
karmana, even though they have used shashti vibhakti, that is karmani shashti. Actually, that karmana shabda should be put in prathama. Karma bodhavyam. Vikarma bodhavyam. This is how it should be put, but because of the karmani shashti, that sutra, the vikarma shashti vibhakti is being used by Vedvyasi. Okay. So karmanaha api bodhavyam means what? We should know karma, about karma. So karma should be known by us. Even vikarma should be known by us. Karmano yapi bodhavyam karmano yapi bodhavyam vikarma kim agre kim?
bodhavyam cha vikarmanah.
Akarmanashchapi bodhavyam gahana karmano gati. We have to miss karma should be known by us. Vikarma should be known by us. Even akarma should be known by us because there is a gahana gati of karma. Okay.
There is one more shlok in chapter 3,
Hmm.
shlok number 22.
Hmm.
न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तमवाप्यं वर्त एव
कर्मणि
एव च कर्मणि इति आरम्भः किम् आसीत्?
न मे पार्थास्ति
न मे
कर्तव्यम.
हे पार्थ मे कर्तव्यं न अस्ति. अत्र कर्तव्यम् अस्य शब्दस्य अर्थः भवति कर्तुं योग्यं. कर्तुं योग्यं मम कृते किमपि न विद्यते. मम कृते कार्यम् एव नास्ति. तथापि अहं करोमि न वा इति भगवान् वदति. अहमेव कार्यं करोमि, भवता एव कर्तव्यम्. Because I am working, you have to work. I don't have any work, but still I work. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन. त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन कर्म कर्तव्यं कर्म न मे अस्ति. मे न अस्ति. There is no karma in all three locals for me that I have to do. Trishu lokeshu kinchan. Na anavaptavyam. Because I don't want anything. Anavaptavyam nasti. There is nothing which is not, obtained by me. Nanavaptama vaptavyam. And there is nothing which I can obtain. That's even though there is these things, there is nothing to be obtained, and I don't want to personally obtain anything. So I don't even I don't have anything to do, but still I do. Varte eva cha karmani, but karmani aham varte, aham bhavami. I be in karma only, means I perform karma only. So there again, varte should be formed. Varte eva. What sandhi will take place? A is followed by swara. Ayadi adesha will take place. After that ayadi adesha, the optionally yakara vakara get drops. So basically that after making ayadi adesha, ekara will change into aya, and that ya part will be dropped, and there will be no sandhi. Varte change into varta eva cha karmani.
I have a question about the ni dhatu, right? You said nantavyam and nayani need. What was the form you showed about the ni dhatu?
You are particularly asking, or nam? Which one you are asking?
Ni.
Vyah, netavyam. And
Netavyam. Nayani. What is that?
Nayaniyam.
Nayaniyam. I can't make a sentence. I want to make a sentence with that, but I cannot think of anything like Maya, Jalam, Nayaniyam.
Done. अथवा नी धातु, based on नी धातु we form the नेता शब्द और नायक शब्द. नायकेन नेतव्याः नयनीयाः. They shall lead the people. The people led by them. ऐसा सेंटेंस होगा. नयति means to lead, carry.
Yeah.
The few shlokas we will see. The sentences we will finish. We have only 2 minutes. Fast, you can go ahead and finish this sentences. Bhavata shvah shaharam gantavayam gamaniyam means the city should be visited by you by tomorrow. Tatra not putra, pustakotsavah drashtavyah athva darshaniyah. Okay, that darshaniyah. शकारः विद्यते इति कृत्वा तत्र नकारेण भविष्यति. अस्तु. What is called pustakotsavah?
Book fair.
Book fair. The book fair should be seen by someone. Like a karta is not put, but we can say by us, by you, like that. Uttakani pustakani kani iti jnatavyam. What are the good books should be known by us or you. Abhishtani pustakani kretavyani. Whatever desired book should be bought. Mama krite rachananuvad kaumadi iti pustakam anetavyam. Bring the rachananuvad kaumadi. The rachananuvad kaumadi pustakam should be brought for me by you. Something like that. Okay. There is one Geetam which is frequently chanted in Sanskrit Bharati. Manasa satatam smarniyam vachasa satatam vadaniyam lokahitam mama karaniyam न भोग भवने रमणीयम न च सुख शयने शयनीयम अहर्निशम जागरणीयम लोकहितं मम करणीयम. So maya lokahitam sada अथवा सततम मनसा स्मरणीयम. The lokahitam should be meditated, the remembered by me all the time, by mind all the time. Manasa. Vachacha satatam. Okay, we can put even Sanskritam. Sanskritam sada athva satatam vachasa vaktavyam athva vadaniyam. Sanskrit should be spoken all the time by us, by you. And lokahitam mama karaniyam. The lokahitam, the welfare of people should be done or performed by me. So even though there is not, maya shabda, but still karmani shashti by that sutra.